Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be putting out some Valley Splendor Premium Wild Bird Seed. This is the choice blend, and I've been feeding this for a while, but we're actually going to be putting it in our Wasserstein bird feeder where we can see what birds actually come to this, and I'll give you an idea of the birds that we use. Let me show you the ingredients on the back of this so you know. We've got black oil sunflower seeds, safflower, striped sunflower, and then peanut pieces. What I like about this seed is there's no red or white millet. It's basically just a straight seed. So let's go get it in our Wasserstein bird feeder. Let's see what birds come and eat it. Alright, so what I've done is I'm using this glass dish from Tool. I've just thrown some of the seed in here. Got my blink camera in my Wasserstein bird feeder, and we will see if anything comes to eat this seed. I like using the glass dish because it helps kind of elevate the birds a little bit. You'll notice it's a little bit higher than the original dish that comes with this feeder. Makes it a little bit easier to see the birds when they get captured on camera. So let's see if we get any birds coming to eat this bird seed.